What's going on, guys? It's Elias here for another quick video. As you can see, I'm installing a whole bunch of stuff on this car. We're doing all kinds of stuff to finish this up to make it a race car. And I've gone through and I've already drained the transmission fluid. It's already there. In case you guys don't know, I mean, there's plenty of videos online. You guys can look it up. It's really easy to do. You just gotta find the plug. This is a fill plug up here. You unscrew that off. At the bottom, there's a drain plug, and there's actually a plug, another plug you could take off to see when the transmission fills up. I'm not gonna do that because that plug only allows 1.9 quarts of transmission fluid, and I want the full 2+ quarts. A little bit of extra transmission fluid is actually not gonna hurt anything. It's actually gonna help because it's gonna have a little bit more fluid. It's not gonna have any dryness anywhere. And for race applications, this is my way of trying to make sure everything stays good. Now, the one thing I want to talk about is the AC Delco Synchromesh transmission fluid friction modified. This is what I'm going to be using now. I've heard really good things. The AMSOIL transmission fluid is really very good. However, from what I've read, what I've been seeing, the AC Delco transmission fluid, the friction modified, might actually be a little bit better. I'm here to actually test it, so I'm going to test it. Either way, I think both transmission fluids are really good. Do not use Honda. Regular Honda is not going to be good for this transmission. I mean, as we all know, the transmission here is not very strong. The synchros are not very strong. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be installing this. And I'll let you know if it's worse or better. It's probably going to be better. I'm expecting it to be better on the street and driving around. This is actually one of the best transmission fluids out there. I use this on my Prelude and on my S2000. So both of those use the friction modified AC Delco. This is good stuff. Make sure it is friction modified because AC Delco sells a Synchromesh that's not friction modified, that's cheaper. You don't want that. You want the friction modified. I'll put a link in the description for you guys in case you guys want to buy it. I highly recommend this stuff. The worst part about this is that it stinks. I really hate the way transmission fluid smells, but it's okay. It's nice dark brown color. Pretty good. So there's 1 quart there. And we're going to be testing this not just on the street, we're going to be testing this on the track significantly. This is my race car now. After my crash, I decided to make this into a full-on race car. And that's what we're going to be doing. So you guys will really know how this performs under very high heat. With all the upgrades, obviously. I have a lot of acuity upgrades, a lot of heat shields being put on here. A lot of good things I'm doing to make sure my Type R can last years and years of track abuse. Pretty sure it can. I mean, Honda knows how to build an engine. At one point, I'm probably gonna have to replace the synchros, especially the second and third gear synchros are terrible. They're made of garbage. I don't know why Honda does that, but it's fine. We can work around it. We'll find a solution. All right, 2 full quarts of transmission fluid. Let that all drain out. And I'll give you guys updates as we go along, guys. And if you need help changing your transmission fluids, very easy. You drain the drain plug is down. It's down under the car. The fill plug is right here, as you guys can see. You may have to take the air box out. Some people don't. You could reach with a long extension. Very easy to do. I'll just leave that in there. So all you do is you take this, it's a 3/8 inch, you put it there, you take off the plug. Very easy. Alright guys, very short video here. Hope you enjoyed it. Just more instructional than anything. I am going to be using Synchromesh friction modified, in case you guys were wondering, and we'll give you guys updates as we go along. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll catch you next time. Peace!